In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger company, being able to efficiently generate and dispatch sales receipts is a crucial skill. QuickBooks Online provides a straightforward way to handle this, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be more than equipped to do it yourself. So, let's dive right in. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a button labeled New. This is your gateway to creating various financial documents and transactions. Clicking on New will present you with several options. What you're looking for in this list is another New, specifically for generating new entries. Select this, and you'll be moving on to the next step. Now, from the available options, you'll want to select Sales Receipt. This option is dedicated to recording sales transactions where payment is received immediately, which is exactly what we're covering today. By selecting Sales Receipt, you're telling QuickBooks that you're ready to record the sale as closed and paid. Once you've chosen Sales Receipt, it's time to enter all the pertinent details. Think of this as filling in the blanks of your sales story. You'll need to include specifics such as the customer's name, the date of the transaction, and any items or services sold along with their quantities and prices. Don't forget about including taxes, discounts, and any other relevant information that paints a full picture of this transaction. It's important to be thorough here, as accurate records are the backbone of sound financial management. Now that you've filled in all the necessary details, the next move is to click on Save and Send, which you'll find at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. By clicking this, you simultaneously save your work and prep the receipt for sending. QuickBooks will now give you the opportunity to review and edit the email that's going to accompany your receipt. This feature allows you to personalize the message, ensuring the recipient receives clear and professional communication from your end. And just like that, you've successfully created and sent a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process once you've familiarized yourself with the options. Remember, staying organized with your sales receipts can greatly aid in keeping your bookkeeping accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips